In this lesson, we're going to cover position inline styles. When it comes to position, we have two options, relative and absolute. As the name implies, elements in relative mode are positioned relative to the other elements. How the elements are actually laid out with respect to one another is based on the flex styles, which we'll cover in the next lesson. Absolute mode makes an element invisible to the default Flexbox-based layouting engine. It is as if it no longer takes any space. Absolute position elements will appear on top of any siblings that are still using the relative position. While using absolute position, you can move and stretch the element with your cursor. Or you can set the position using the left, top, right, and bottom style properties to offset and size the element relative to the parent as opposed to the screen. One of the few legitimate use cases for absolute position mode is for pop-ups. Let's go ahead and create one now. It's pretty crude looking, but it'll get the job done. If you've noticed, it's actually centering the top left corner of the element as opposed to its center. We can get around this by first setting the left, top, right, and bottom fields to 0 pixels. Then if we set the width and height to auto, we'll see that the background stretches across the entire canvas. We lower the opacity of the background image in order to see the things behind it. Finally, we center the elements. And there you have it, a not so elegant pop-up.